Hi guys, welcome back and welcome back to another video where we discuss the Q1 FY25 result update of the companies. So today we are going to be discussing three companies, okay? So first one will be Associated Alcohol and Breweries, then Zen Technologies, and third one is Restaurant Brand Asia, okay? So you let me know by the end of the video like which are the two companies that has performed really well and which is the one company that is, that where the result has not been up to the mark, okay? So first let us start with Associated Alcohol and Breweries, okay? So let us discuss the business model first. If you look at Associated Alcohol and Breweries, like just like the name tells, alcohol and breweries, they do not manufacture exactly alcohol, but a raw material that goes into the manufacturing of alcohol. Okay, so they're both in the B2B and B2C segment. I will try to simplify their business model as much as possible. Okay, so first is they produce something called as ENA, which is called as extra neutral alcohol. Now this extra neutral alcohol is your alcohol is in the most purest form. It is used in the manufacturing of your Indian made foreign liquors, आप जो बोलते हैं ना, आपका whiskey, rum, gin, tonic and all of these things. This is a raw material that is used over there. So they manufacture this ENA and they supply it to the other brands where this is required by them, such as United Spirits, breweries, all these brands or the companies where where the ENA is required to produce your IMFL. That is where they supply to. So that is one, that is production of ENA, extra neutral alcohol. Okay, the second one is they also manufacture ethanol. Now ethanol is a derivative of ENA in the way that आपका जो ENA है, like I told you, right, ENA is the most purest form of alcohol. Okay, like it is 95% alcohol, like that's a purity, right? And ENA का अगर आप बात करते हो, it has no smell, no taste, nothing. It's just alcohol in its purest form, and it is not only used, आपका जो बोलते हैं ना, not only used in your making liquors and everything, but also in your cosmetics में and other food and beverages industries also, bakery products and everything. There also it is used. Sometimes it can be used even as a preservative also. Now if you go from ENA, there is something also called as ethanol. Like I was discussing, they also manufacture ethanol. Now ethanol is also used in your manufacturing of alcohol. Like when you look at ENA and ethanol, the only difference is ethanol जो है, it is extremely distilled, right? जो आपका purity है, like I told ना, ENA is like pure alcohol, 95% उनका purity है, whereas ethanol is distilled many times, so उनका alcohol का percentage यहाँ पे कम होता है. So this also they do. So ENA भी है, ethanol भी है, ठीक है? They manufacture it and they sell it to other brands and other companies. Then after that, they उनका अगर आप खुद का बोलते हो, like in terms of B2C, if I have to talk about it, here also they have their own brand of alcohol, ठीक है? ये लोग भी अपना खुद का क्या बोलूँ, खुद का अल्कोहल प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, मतलब खुद का इंडियन मेड फॉरेन लिकर जो है, इंडियन मेड इंडियन लिकर जो है, आपका ब्रांडी, रम एंड एवरीथिंग, दिस पीपल इवन मैन्युफैक्चर दैट. ओके, एंड दे सेल इट ऑफकोर्स, जैसा आप किंगफिशर का देखते हो, यूनाइटेड ब्रूअरीज, यूनाइटेड स्पिरिट्स का. सिमिलरली दिस पीपल ऑल्सो हैव उनका ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सब कुछ है. सो दिस इज अ थर्ड सेगमेंट, ठीक है? फर्स्ट सेगमेंट लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ एथेनॉल एंड ENA. सेकंड इज खुद का ब्रांड जो है, IMFL प्रोप्राइटरी, इसको बोलते हैं IMFL प्रोप्राइटरी, मतलब खुद मैन्युफैक्चर करके अपने ब्रांड के ऊपर ही बेचना, इसको बोलते हैं IMFL प्रोप्राइटरी, ठीक है? देन ये लोग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग भी करते हैं. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का मतलब क्या, आप एक लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल अगेन यूनाइटेड ब्रूअरीज का, Diageo होगा, कोई भी होगा, यू पीपल उनका थर्ड पार्टी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर होते हो आप. सो वॉट एवर दे नीड, कोई भी अल्कोहल चाहिए उनको, यू पीपल मैन्युफैक्चर इट, आपका प्रोडक्शन यूज करते हो मैन्युफैक्चर करने के लिए. एंड द लास्ट वन इज IMFL लाइसेंस. IMFL लाइसेंस का मतलब क्या, यू हैव द लाइसेंस टू मैन्युफैक्चर समबडी एल्स का ब्रांड का अल्कोहल, आप वो डिस्टिल कर सकते हो, अल्कोहल बना सकते हो और मार्केट कर सकते हो. सो उसको बेचने के लिए आपको थोड़ा परसेंट का, सेल्स का थोड़ा परसेंटेज का आपको ये मिलेगा. सो देयर 4 सेगमेंट्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ ENA एंड एथेनॉल, खुद का प्रोप्राइटरी, खुद का अल्कोहल बनाने में. द थर्ड वन इज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड द लास्ट वन इज उनका लाइसेंसिंग, जो मैन्युफैक्चर करके बेचता भी है, दूसरों का ब्रांड, उसका थोड़ा पार्ट ऑफ शेयर भी रखता है, ठीक है? सो दीज आर द 4 things. Now very surprising thing about Associated Alcohol and Breweries is, if you look at their guidance for all the segments that is there, it has been in the range of, especially the B2C का segment, it has been in the range of 15 to 20%. and ethanol को उनका जो guidance था Q4 में, उन्होंने बोला था कि like FY25 में जो होगा हमारा guidance, it will be in the similar, like मतलब it will be in 15 to 20% for B2C का category, and जो other है आपका ethanol blending हो and other things are there,
battery below 50% PNA.
so this is what that mentioned. mentioned. But fortunately, the result has been quite stunning and quite great compared to what the guidance has been given. अगर मैं Q1 FY25 का बात करूँ, Q1 FY25 में revenue has grown 63%. अगर आप year on year देखते हो, अगर आप उनका एक्सरसाइज ड्यूटी होते ना, मतलब आपका जो भी स्टेट या टैक्स सब लगाते हैं, अगर उसको आप माइनस करते हो, फिर भी द टॉप लाइन जो है हैज़ ग्रोन बाय 61%. सो गाइडेंस बोलते हैं अराउंड 20% के लिए, बट करता है 61%. ऑफकोर्स ना मार्केट उसको ज़्यादा भावी देता है अल्टीमेटली. अगर आप पैट देखते हो, पैट इज ऑल्सो ग्रोन बाय 44%. ऑफकोर्स ऑपरेटिंग लेवरेज नहीं मिला यहाँ पे, बट पैट इज ऑल्सो ग्रोन. ठीक है, पैट मार्जिन इज क्वाइट स्टेबल. लास्ट टाइम 8% था, अभी 7% है. ठीक है, नॉट मच ओवर देयर, बट द रिजल्ट लाइक आई टोल्ड यू हैज़ बीन क्वाइट गुड. ठीक है, नाउ फ्यू थिंग्स टू नोट ओवर हियर. अगर उनका सारा सेगमेंट अगर आप देखते हो, सारा सेगमेंट हैज़ बीन रियली परफॉर्मिंग वेल. ठीक है, पहला तो है उनका जो मैंने बोला, ENA को प्रोड्यूस करना, मैन्युफैक्चर करना, प्रोड्यूस करना है, और एथेनॉल, ये दोनों अगर आप देखते हो, आई जस्ट गिव यू रेवेन्यू ब्रेकडाउन. Q1 FY25 में अगर आप देखते हो, ENA को जो रेवेन्यू सेगमेंट है ना, लाइक हाउ मच इट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू द रेवेन्यू, इट हार्डली कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड 10%. ठीक है, और उनका जो IMFL है, जो खुद का IMFL बनाते हैं ना, खुद का लिकर बना के अपने ब्रांड पे बेचता है, दैट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड अ वूपिंग 25% टू द टॉप लाइन. ठीक है, और जो लाइसेंस बनाते हैं, मतलब दूसरों का ब्रांड बेचता है, बना के बेचता है, दैट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड 19%. और उनका जो एथेनॉल करता है, एथेनॉल मैन्युफैक्चर करता है, दैट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड अनदर 25%. सो ओवरऑल इफ यू सी द टू मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स ओवर हियर यार, खुद का ब्रांड जो है दैट हैज ग्रोन, दैट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टू द टॉप लाइन इज मोर, दैट इज नंबर वन. एंड द सेकंड वन इज एथेनॉल, दोनों इज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग 25%. ठीक है, अगर आप इसका ये एसोसिएटेड अल्कोहल एंड ब्रूअरीज का अगर आप थोड़ा सा हिस्ट्री देखते हो, यू विल गेट टू सी दैट दे स्टार्टेड ऑफ एज ये सिर्फ एथेनॉल का स्टार्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग, दे वर ओनली मेनली फोकस्ड ऑन दिस एथेनॉल एंड ENA, एक्स्ट्रा न्यूट्रल अल्कोहल जो है, इसको प्रोड्यूस करने में. लेटर ऑन उनको खुद का ब्रांड आ गया. इवन अगर आप उनको खुद का ब्रांड में देखते हो, उतना चल नहीं रहा था. इट वॉज वेरी मच कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड इन मध्य प्रदेश. देन लेटर व्हाट हैपेंड, दे स्टार्टेड वेंचरिंग इनटू न्यू स्टेट्स ऑफ केरला. उसके बाद केरला में उनका बहुत अच्छा हुआ, स्पेशली इन द लास्ट 2 years. आफ्टर दैट उन्होंने दे हैव ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड इनटू दिस लाइसेंसिंग होना, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बनाना. स्लोली व्हाट हैड हैपेंड वाज दे स्टॉप्ड देयर डिपेंडेंसी फ्रॉम दैट ENA एंड एथेनॉल में, एंड दे स्टार्टेड वेंचरिंग आउट टू हियर. क्यों यहाँ पे? बिकॉज ENA, like I told you, is a raw material, right? It is made from आपका different types of raw materials, cattles and everything, feeds, different kind of feeds and stocks. Now, since you are first of all depending on one sort of raw material, उसका grain का price, it is made basically from grains. So as का grain का price उसको even your margin also will again come, and on top of that you're selling this ENA to some other people. Of course you use this ENA खुद का production के लिए, अपना ही IMFL बनाने के लिए. Other than that you're also selling it to other people ना. So first of all a B2B business, and on top of that your raw material is also commodity. आपका business भी एक commodity business है. So you can imagine how tough it was for them earlier to grow. इसलिए it was very tough for these people to clock a very good growth engine or become a very good growth engine. But slowly जब इनका product mix change होने लगा, you will see इनका growth भी वापस आने लगा. Like they started clocking like at least a really good double digit kind of growth. ठीक है, अगर इस बार उसका volume अगर आप देखते हो, मतलब सबका category का volume देखते हो, if you look at IMFL का volume, IMFL का volume has grown by 5.2%, right? जो उनका लाइसेंस पे बोलती हूँ, लाइक Diageo के लिए लाइसेंस करते हैं. बाय द वे व्हेन दे डिड दिस लाइसेंसिंग का थिंग, इट वाज एक्सपायर्ड आई थिंक इन 2017-2018, एंड देन दे गॉट दैट एक्सटेंशन टू कंटिन्यू टू डू दैट अंटिल 2025. If you look at their own liquor also has grown by I think 15%. ENA, the only thing is वो ENA है ना, एक्स्ट्रा न्यूट्रल अल्कोहल, इसका वॉल्यूम गिरा है मतलब गिरा है 21%. सो लास्ट ईयर से, लास्ट Q1 से अगर इस Q1 कंपेयर करते हो, इट हैज फॉलन बाय 21%. बट ओवरऑल इफ यू सी राइट, लाइक गुड टर्म्स ऑफ वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ, गुड इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेवेन्यूज एंड एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, the only problem associated over here is even right now if you see the grain prices that are there are still at an elevated amount. Even if you look at the bottle prices, even bottle prices जो आपका glass bottles है, उसका भी दाम अभी भी it has not come down significantly. Like grain prices, if you look from last year, Q1 of last year to this year, if you look year on year, it has grown by I think 11%. Similarly with bottle also somewhere in the similar range. ठीक है, but overall a good set of numbers. The only thing over here is like the reason why you're seeing this is of course because आपका product mix यहाँ पे change हो रहा है. they are decreasing the dependency from ENA and ethanol and moving more and more towards B2C range, अपना ही खुद का brand and also for other people. In fact when you talk about their own brand, right, like IMFL, what they are doing under their own name, they were earlier like I told you only in Madhya Pradesh. Then they started venturing out into some states, like right now they are in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Kerala, West Bengal, Delhi. Now they're moving, they're targeting Goa, Tripura, Assam, all these kind of different different states, 5 states they have target to. So volume growth will come from here. So that is one good thing. So overall good. We'll have to catch up with the con call and see as to like, will this pace of growth that is continue, or is it just a one-time thing, and how do they have plans for it? Because last time what they had done was they had a capex, okay, in Madhya Pradesh they had increased the capacity by I think 45 million liters per annum, because ये ENA का जो blend था, it was I think 180 million liters per annum, and they increased it to 45 MLPA, ठीक है. They had done it, and it was commenced in the last I think 2 quarters back or a quarter back, I do not remember exactly when it was commenced, but it was commenced, and they're able to fetch fully. Other than that, they also have expansion plans. और तो expansion plans है एक to open a bottle and distillery plant वो खोलना चाहते हैं, but do not know when exactly they will start this capex and when it will commence and when we will see the complete production of this, no clue, because अभी भी इसका to start this capex they need money, so they have to issue QIPs, warrant, sub, all ये कुछ करना है, do not know. But overall a good set of numbers. Top line has been very fantastic. PAT भी है, right? Other than that, if you see all the how do I put this, all these segments are also doing very well for them. capex भी हो रहा है यहाँ पे, and capex has already been commenced, and on top of that you're seeing a थोड़ा सा product mix यहाँ पे change हो रहा है, right? Like I told you, they went from just being an ENA, a commodity B2B business, they've also started their own B2C, and यहाँ पे you can see that the management is very serious because they're expanding into new state, getting new licenses and everything, right? Trying to talk with different governments to enter the states, getting some price hike. So overall it is working well for them, right? So that's that about associated alcohol and breweries, ठीक है. हम अभी नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं जेन टेक्नोलॉजीज़ के बारे में. ये एक डिफेंस कंपनी है जेन टेक्नोलॉजीज़. सो इसका मैं बिजनेस मॉडल क्विकली समझा देती हूँ. सो जेन टेक्नोलॉजीज़ में देर आर 2 टाइप्स. वन इज सेल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स एंड द अदर वन इज योर AMC. AMC इज नथिंग बट योर एनुअल मेंटेनेंस चार्जेस. दैट इज ओके. एनुअल मेंटेनेंस चार्जेस मतलब लेट्स से इफ आई एम सेलिंग यू अ कंप्यूटर, देन टुमारो आपको लाइक ईयरली कुछ मेंटेनेंस यू विल हैव टू, एंड उसका रेवेन्यू जो आता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एनुअल मेंटेनेंस चार्जेस. सेल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स में अगर आप बात करते हो, देर आर 2 sale of products, like two main important products आप बोल सकते हो. One is a training simulators and the other one is anti-drone system. Now training simulators का मतलब है, you would have seen, right, if you are in a defense, like if you have an Indian Army, Indian Air Force, it is not really possible for you, like let's just take an Indian Air Force का example. It is not really possible कि like जब एक नया recruit होता है, आप उसको plane में बिठा के बोलते हो अरे जाओ, like you can't train him like that. He has to get accustomed. You will put that simulation system around him, so that, because it's otherwise very expensive, to go on air and train like on a regular basis. So you first get them adjusted to the ground and everything, right? वो एक simulator बनाते हो, एक virtual reality जैसा. So this is called as training simulation system. So they have many types of training simulating system. This is one of their product, and the other product is anti-drone system. Anti-drone system is, let's say for example, just a quick example I'm going to give you. Let's say you have some you are in a very safe area. Let's say you're in a military camp or area, right? So it's a very secluded area. You have these restrictions actually, like no drone has to fly over here, no aerial vehicle has to fly it. So this anti-drone systems, what they do is they not only detect that what is flying around in certain radius of kilometers, like what kind of objects are flying around, and not only they detect it, some anti-drone systems detect and even shoot it out, like they can completely like shoot it out and take it down also. So these are the 2 types of product. One is your training simulating system and the other one is your anti-drone system, right? This actually contributes a majority part of their revenue, ठीक है. अगर उनका order book देखो, अगर उनका revenues में भी देखो, majority आता है sale of products से, ठीक है. And the other थोड़ा सा will come from annual maintenance charges, ठीक है. अगर इसका revenue देखते हो, revenue has been quite fantastic, but having said that, I think it's not a surprise. I think everyone was waiting on execution, ठीक है, क्योंकि उन्होंने this management had told Q4 में बोला था. Q4 का अगर आप देखते हो, FY24 पूरा साल का अगर आप देखते हो, revenue was 400 करोड़, okay, and by the end of the year they told FY25 में in the 1 year we will be clocking 900 crores in revenue. That is literally more than double in terms of clocking the revenue. So I think everybody were really stunned in the con call, like what are these people telling, like how can they double the revenue in 1 year? And I think what the market was also waiting for was just the execution, right? Like will they be able to do it? Because Q4 में क्या हुआ था, they were targeting I think think I could be wrong here with numbers, but I think they were targeting some 30-35% kind of growth, but they missed the guidance by 5%. I still remember, I do not remember the numbers exactly, but I do know that they had missed the guidance by 5%. Okay, and the management came in the con call and they were like, we are really sorry, we missed the guidance by 5%, but but the situation was like that and things like this. And they were like, do not, like, we promise that अगले साल जो FY25 में है हम 900 करोड़ तो डेफिनेटली करने वाले हैं. हमारा ऑर्डर बुक इज ऑल्सो वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. इफ यू लुक एट द एंटायर डिमांड कंडीशंस दैट इज देयर, टेलविंड दैट इज देयर, द एंटायर रेगुलेशन इज ऑल्सो सपोर्टिंग मेक इन इंडिया, आत्मनिर्भर एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट, डिफेंस में. सो दे हैड टोल्ड दिस. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट मार्केट वाज होपिंग फॉर कि लाइक एटलीस्ट एक क्वार्टर देखते हैं इसका एग्जीक्यूशन में. ठीक है, सो दे हैव बीन रियली वेल, गाइडेंस जो दिया था, दे आर गेटिंग क्लोजर एंड क्लोजर टू दैट. एंड Q1 is a testimony of how well they have executed this. So if you look at the Q1 ka sales on a year-on-year basis, Q1 mein sales grew by 92%, and the PAT that is there, PAT grew by 57%. Now of course you will see here that there is no operating leverage here, right? Because one of the reason here is, one thing is यहाँ पे उनका product mix थोड़ा सा change हो रहा है. Okay, they are going more and more into like building this sale of products than anything else. Like I told you, training जो simulators है and anti-drone system है, they are really pushing these two products over here. That is one thing. The second thing over here is, like I told you, they are in a defense based company. So मतलब सब कुछ बनाना पड़ता है. It's not like कल एक इंडियन आर्मी ऑर्डर देगा कि like हाँ मुझे 10 एंटी ड्रोन सिस्टम चाहिए. It's not like बिस्किट देना, राइट? आप जस्ट मैन्युफैक्चर करके ऐसे दे सकते हो. It is not that easy also. You will need a very long period of time over here to make these products. And on top of that, one of the biggest headache over here would be, it has to be extremely precise, right? Like it has to be like literally tick to the talk. That's how it's supposed to be. So over here, because of the nature of the product that is there and the amount of materials and all that goes to here, it is very general to have a very high inventory days, receivable and payable days over here. It is just the nature of the industry. But having said that, since they also have this 900 crore of order book, like 900 crore, they have target to literally double the revenue. What is also happening here is the growth that is there that you're seeing. To able to fund that growth, almost all of the money is going back into investing in your inventories, in your materials, and just to get everything up and running, so you can reach that 900 crore mark by the end of the year. So that is why you will see both of it are the reason why you see that the operating leverage that is there isn't quite visible in this quarter. Okay. Another thing to note over here is Q1 FY25 में very surprisingly 100% of the revenue, right, in this quarter has been of domestic. Like पूरा का पूरा जो उनका order book था, they had around 253 crores of order book that they executed in Q1, out of which 100% has been domestic. Not only that, in this Q1 FY25 अगर आप देखते हो 253 crores का order book में सिर्फ 9 करोड़ इस आपका AMC का, and the rest पूरा का पूरा जो है आया है, पूरा का पूरा revenues जो है इस quarter आए हैं from sale of products. Okay, very well execution, I can tell. Like इस quarter इनका execution has been very top notch. ठीक है. Other than that, if you see, by the end of June, by the end of this quarter also, they had a very strong book of around 1158, and इसमें 1158 में, like I told you, again here also majority is coming from your from sale of products. 55% is coming from your training simulators, and unka jo rest 45% jo hai, it is coming from your anti-drone system. So overall, very good set of numbers. The demand is also great for them. You would have seen even right now also, right, we are seeing a lot of tailwinds over here. The entire nation is focused and the spending is focused in creating your own defense system where you're dependent over here, right? So overall, a good and a great set of numbers. So the last thing I want to highlight is in terms of valuation. Valuation over here, if you talk about it, see, first thing I'll tell you, as the guidance is increased and the business starts getting better, like the pace of growth for that business increases, the business ultimately becomes cheaper and cheaper. Okay, that is one thing. The second thing is, irrespective of what you hold, what the company sells, anything, like pen paper बेचो या defense का कोई product बेचो या छड़ी बनियान बेचो, whatever you sell, ultimately market को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Market को फर्क पड़ता है सिर्फ एक ही चीज से, that is growth. If you can get your earnings momentum, if you can get your sales right, that like आपका 7 गुना जो है मार्केट माफ कर देता है. आप फ्रॉड हो, जो भी हो, वट एवर इट इज, आई हैव ऑलवेज सीन दिस इन द मार्केट कि लाइक यू गेट योर ग्रोथ इंजन बैक and the market will forgive you for everything. So here I know a lot of people ke like हिचकिचाता है and then they be like, अरे valuation is high. So let me just cover this valuation part over here. If you look, I'll just take the 1 year forward P because this is all I take into consideration. I don't do 2 year forward P, 3 year forward P, because let's be very honest, you do not know what is going to happen in 2 or 3 years. You sleep today and you hope that you will wake up tomorrow, but it is not a guarantee, right? So similarly, how can you expect 2 to 3 years? 1 year at least, yes, Q2 Q3 हमेशा आता ही रहता है, like it is just 2 to 3 months. You have that visibility and everything, but after that, God knows, and you and I are not running the business, right? So just coming to the valuation front, if you look, this quarter they've clocked around 79 crores in PAT. Okay, excluding the seasonality and everything, although Q3 and Q4 is very strong for them, if I extrapolate this 80 into 4, which is 4 quarters, it is around 320 crores and the market cap is around 14,200. So divided, your peak range comes somewhere between 40. I mean, if you take PAT even more to be, like if you be even more bullish and they can clock more PAT, if you take even operating leverage into consideration over here, it can even be way lesser than that. So right now, if you see conservatively, if I estimate that they will not get operating leverage and it will be the same rate as it is in Q1, how they've exhibited their PAT, your 1 year forward ka P, it ultimately comes in the range between 40 to 50. And you're getting a 95% ka growth engine who is literally telling you that we will double the revenue in terms of top line. And you can infer and tell me like if the stock is cheap or not. We need to stop thinking of stock just from stock limited from a price point of view and be like, अरे ये 5% हो गया तो like इसका like it becomes too expensive. और आपने देखा ये like 800 में था अभी 1600 में है, already 2x हो गया. So do not look from that point in valuation, that is not right. हमेशा एक साल forward P में देखो if guidance is increased, and these are a lot of things that goes into considering the valuation over here. And ultimately यहाँ पे there is only one thing. It is not about P, it is not about valuation. It is one thing and one thing only, growth. Okay, if the growth tapers down tomorrow, कल आते हैं Q2 में और बोलते हैं we will not be able to do 900 crores in revenue. हम अपना guidance revise कर रहे हैं, हमारा थोड़ा revenue fall हो गया, ये हो गए, market उसको उसी दिन ठोकता है. That is it. It is ultimately that. ठीक है, the problem is not with valuation, the problem is with growth. जब इसका pace of growth घटता है, कल जाके ये 900 crores से कुछ भी, when the target is, when he is not achieving the target in Q2 and Q3 and Q4, now that is where the problem comes. So problem, understand, the problem is with the growth tapering down, not with the valuation, of course. So that's what I had to cover with Zen Technologies. The last one we'll be doing is Restaurant Brand Asia, okay, which Restaurant Brand Asia, it has the license to franchise and put up stores for Burger King in India and Popeyes jo hai in Indonesia. So these are the two things they do. Of course, in the entire QSR space, like I've been talking to you all this while, that the entire situation for the QSR space is very hard, especially because the demand case, we do not have any demand over here in India right now with QSR because of the increased competition. And of course, Zomato and Swiggy are able to put up hundreds of cloud kitchens and literally being very affordable also. So both of these regions, and on top of that आपका जो raw material का price है, that has been very high. Club all of these, it has been a very, very disastrous year for the entire QSR space, right? And RBA, if you look at it, if you look both of it, India as well as Indonesia, I will compare the RBA का India with other QSR space. RBA का India का जो है, उनका Burger King जो है, compare it to McDonald's, Domino's, KFC, Pizza Hut, it has performed way better compared to anybody. आप इसको देवयानी में देखो, Sapphire में देखो, everything else, like any Jubilant Foodworks, it has been literally like outrunner in terms of top line. But the problem here is it is still a loss-making company since the time it has been listed. I think it got listed when, I think 4 years ago, do not remember exactly when, but after that also still, because every time they tell कि like हाँ हमारा loss कम होता जाएगा, but ultimately there is no visibility over here when the losses will that is a huge problem over here. And on top of that, when they were still loss making in India, they went and acquired that Popeyes का India का license, Popeyes का Indonesia का license. So again, what to tell, sales उनका गिरा है 5.2%, PAT जो है, PAT भी -54 crores था लास्ट Q1 में, इस Q1 में -52 crores है, उतना कुछ losses narrow नहीं हुआ है, ultimately लॉसेस वही के वही है. ठीक है, अगर आप देखते हो उनका SSG जो है, SSG इंडिया में इज 3.1%, लास्ट Q1 में 3.6% था. अनदर थिंग विद RBA इज लास्ट टाइम आई थिंक इन Q2 या Q1 में दे हैड टेपर्ड देयर गाइडेंस ऑन SSG. अर्लियर दे वर गिविंग SSG का गाइडेंस था 6 to 9% एंड दे टेपर्ड इट टू 3%, राइट? सो व्हेन यू टेपर डाउन द गाइडेंस यूर इनडायरेक्टली टेलिंग कि लाइक आगे जाके ग्रोथ कम हो जाएगा. बट उनका जो इंडिया का ऑपरेशन है, इंडिया का ऑपरेशन हैज ग्रोन बाय 16%. इफ यू कंपेयर इट विद द लाइक्स ऑफ वेस्टलाइफ एंड ऑल जिसका टोटल सेल्स ही नीचे हुआ है, दिस इज गुड. बट हैविंग सेड दैट वो ये ना लॉस मेकिंग कंपनी है. अगर आपके इंडोनेशिया का देखते हो, इंडोनेशिया का बिजनेस पे तो उनका वाट लगी हुई है फ्रॉम द लास्ट 4 क्वार्टर्स. Q3 में इनका ये प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट हुआ था, ये इजराइल हमस का वॉर स्टार्ट हुआ ना. एंड पॉपाइज जो है इज एन अमेरिकन कंपनी एंड अमेरिका इज एन अलाई टू द US. सो इंडोनेशिया के लोग मुस्लिम कंट्री है एंड दे स्टार्टेड क्लोजिंग एंड बैनिंग ऑल दिस अमेरिकन स्टोर्स दैट इज देयर. सो ये जियो पोलिटिकल कंडीशंस के वजह से दिस पीपल हैव बीन सफरिंग अ लॉट एंड द सिचुएशन इज so bad कि like it used to be a positive, like SSG was good, store opening was good, they were supposed to be profitable also I think in FY26 FY27, but unfortunately now it might get delayed because इस situation के वजह से इंडोनेशिया में SSG if you look at in this quarter it is -5.6 और उनका सेल्स भी गिरा है 20% from last year. So overall a very ये जो I think ये you could have seen RB at least clock a single digit top line if it was only India sale cooperation or even probably low double digit also. But having said that, because this Indonesia cooperation is also clubbed in over here and वहाँ पे तो problem, I mean I think this is the third quarter we are facing that geopolitical का thing and it is not getting any better than what it used to be, right? So just because of this one reason the entire even the top line right now, at least पहले तो top line था, अभी ये top line भी खून पी रहा है इसका. So that is what I can tell. It's being like a vampire. This Indonesia ka business is being like a vampire and sucking the blood out of the business completely. So that is that with RBA. RBA ka, I mean, see, that's the thing, right? The entire QSR space, we need the demand coming back up for them, to at least perform. So that is that. So overall, like I told you, good companies only. But having said that, Associated Alcohol and Zen Technologies has done quite better. I think really hats off to Zen Technology for executing so bullish in terms of their guidance and being able to walk the talk. Hats off. Associated Alcohols and Breweries need to check with the Concall as like product mix mein kya ho raha hai and everything. Video has been quite long, so I'm going to end it over here. I will do my next video. I'll have to cover many businesses. Aditya Vision है, V2 है, आज उसका update आया, और एक I don't know, forgot. But yeah, quite a lot of businesses are there. I will get on that. And that's it for today. Have a nice day. Bye.